Top 5 Best DJ Turntables for Beginners. Number 5. Numark PT01, best for scratching. If you want an ultra-portable and versatile equipment, then you should go for the Numark PT01. You can use this product anywhere you like as it is highly portable. What's more, you do not have to use an AC wall power, allowing you to use it outdoors too. One major difference with this turntable is that it is belt-driven. This means that it may not have as much torque as other high-end machines. It also means that you have to be extra careful when using the turntable as it is not as powerful. One of the reasons we love this turntable is that it is packed with features. It features 3 speed settings including a 33.5, 45, and 78 RPM options. This gives the DJ a greater form of control. It can also be powered by 6D batteries if there is no power source, hence the portability. You may also choose to use an AC adapter if it's more convenient for you. This turntable is also easy to use and quite reliable. It has a built-in scratch slide switch that is adjustable and replaceable. This system also accommodates both the right-handed and left-handed DJs for extra comfort and compatibility. What's more, you can use any vinyl records to scratch and add cuts as the equipment works with most records. Pros: versatile. Easy to install and use even for beginners. Portable and versatile. Can use batteries if there is no power source. CONS belt-driven motor. Some users have reported problems with the on or off switch. Coming in number 4. Pioneer DJ PLX-500-K. The Pioneer PLX-500-K is a simpler and cheaper alternative to the powerful Pioneer PLX-1000. This model has a similar direct drive DC motor but does not have the variable pitch control of its predecessor. However, it comes with a USB output, which allows you to rip vinyl into your laptop. Other extras that you get include a dust cover, a slip mat, and a PCHS-01S head shell. Setting up the PCHS-01S head shell will not give you any headaches. It comes with everything that a novice DJ needs, such as a slip mat, head shell and amp, stylus, dust cover, USB cable and a 45 adapter for smaller records. Using it will not also be a problem as it is easy to use and all controls are easily visible. The machine has a power button, target light, a tone arm, a pitch fader, and a start-stop button. The tone arm is made of metal but its assembly has been made using plastic. The playback performance of this model is impressive. It is great for general playback or listening to vinyl records at the comfort of your home. We also had a positive experience ripping tunes using Rekordbox. DJing with this product does not offer the best turntable experience, but this should not worry beginners. We noticed that the head shell would pick up other unnecessary noises such as thumps on the deck, which means you ought to be extra careful. You may have to nudge the record forward with some extra effort when cueing a jam. Pros: features an adjustable tone arm. Offers good pitch control. Allows ripping tunes from your vinyl. CONS. Not heavy and sturdy enough. Coming in number 3. Audio-Technica AT-LP120XUSB-BK. You may have noticed the resurfacing of analog music and the rising popularity of vinyl records over the past few years. The Audio-Technica AT-LP120XUSB-BK is a premium turntable that can double up as your vinyl player. It will not only allow you to jam to your favorite music, but it can help you to digitize your collection. Great design is the first thing you notice about this turntable for beginners. It features a polished die-cast aluminum case that is fitted with felt mats to reduce vibration. Unlike other premium turntables, the other parts of this model, such as the knobs, are made from plastic. This reduces the high-end feel of the turntable but still works great. Setting up the Audio-Technica AT-LP120XUSB-BK is quick and painless. It was easy to install the platter and felt mat, but we must say that the instructions could do a bit more work. After a few cases of trial and error, we were able to balance the tone arm. The tone arm is S-shaped to give it a modern feel, and it works well with the ATHS6 universal head shell. The stylus can be upgraded for richer and sharper tones. We also found that this model offers great audio performance and format support. Selecting the correct speed has been made easier with the control knobs for 33 or 45 or 78 RPM just next to the power dial. It also features a DC servo motor that makes it spin well with little to no resistance. A built-in preamp works well if your stereo has no dedicated phono line. Pros: excellent sound quality. Customizable. Can digitize your vinyl records. What could be better? Sound quality varies depending on your system. Coming in number 2. Jensen JTA230 3-speed stereo turntable. A nice belt-driven 3-speed turntable that is super cheap. The Jensen JTA230 features a tone control and pitch adjustment. It has both USB and RCA output as well as the headphone jack, so you get all the ins and outs for very low price. The turntable also features built-in speakers which can be very convenient in some situations. Though, it is quite small when you compare it to others. However, for vintage-loving beginners, this old-fashioned player would give you the experience of listening to old records from the days. We wouldn't recommend this for professional setups, but it can be an ideal quick backup for your other models or for casual record playing. It is most definitely worth checking out if you're into DJing as a casual hobby or looking to collect gears. Coming in number 1. Audio-Technica AT-LP120USB. This particular model is amongst the most popular ones out there. You will probably see Audio-Technica's models on every list, and there is a good reason for that. Their quality is built to last. The Audio-Technica LP120USB is a budget-friendly option that works amazing and is suitable for beginners and pros alike. It supports both USB and RCA connectivity, so you can switch between old school and contemporary setup. Some of the prominent features are a switchable preamp with line-level RCA outs, forward-reverse play, and speed indicator. It comes with Audacity, which is quite convenient if you don't have the software, and its backed sturdy aluminum platter so you can scratch all you want. Overall, it's one of the best turntables on the market today.